Okay guys, so let's have a quick exercise for the traffic cone. So let's go and lock this first. S. Practice makes perfect, so let's just practice this for now. Then add a cylinder. Go check the top view from the z-axis. Remove the lock here. Select the cube, then resize, just so that we'll have some space here. We can also lock this so that we can also make it look the cube more thinner. Now let's go and add a modifier for our all transforms. Let's select the cube, add modifier, boolean, select the cylinder, apply. Let's see how that will look. Okay, so we can see now that there's an empty circle at the bottom. Now let's select the cylinder, edit mode. Let's hide the cube here. Let's first select all of those, and we can see that there's this node from the top, so let's try to remove that. Okay, then X faces. Then let's have the cube. Then let's select the top area here. Make sure that no part of the bottom vertices are selected. Press on the numpad 1. Press on S key to go and create that cone. Then let's get out of edit mode, object mode. Let's just move this. But let's first edit mode it, so press 1, increase the size of the cone that we have here. Then afterwards, let's go and try to move it. Edit mode, object mode, press 1. I think we're already okay, that's good. Now next, let's go work on the cube here. Edit mode, select the face select. We'll be doing some bevels. Control B. There we go. I think I'm good with that, but you can play around with that depending on how you prefer it to look. Now let's go and get out of the object mode, select both, Control J to join both of those, the cube and our cylinder here. Now let's go to the light, then add to the area. That's how it will look. Then back to the cube, go to materials, add new. Let's change the color here. Oops, let's first be in edit mode. Select the material that we'll be using. We have to make sure that we're using the node. You can actually go select this. Where's that? Oh, okay, there we go. We now have the color for our... There we go. So let's go back here, object mode, edit mode. Where's those nodes? And there we go. Let's go back here. So you have to make sure that you select show overlays, then go back to viewport shading. Now let's go and see. There's the light. We can try to still adjust that. I think a little bit dark. Okay, now let's go add some loops here. Control R, then drag, Control R, then drag, Control R, then drag, Control R, then drag, then select the nodes for us to be able to add a new material and use nodes. I think we're good with the white here. Assign. Oops, I accidentally click on the white space. Assign and assign. There we go, guys. We're done. That's how you create a traffic cone.